Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset Aptkdoe HD65 Earbuds. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your earbuds here, there is a way for you to actually reset it, especially again if you're having a lot of issues with it. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and put your earbuds in the charging case. So just put them back in. Now, also ensure the earbuds are properly placed inside the case and that the case has power on it. Now, from then on, you want to keep the lid shut for about 10 seconds and allow the earbuds to reset. Now, just make sure you put this for the full duration, 10 seconds. And also, you could go and forget the earbuds on your device. So maybe on your iPod or in your phone, just forget the earbuds. So any device here, you just need to basically go to your Bluetooth settings, just click on your earbuds and just hit on forget or remove and basically look for HD65 earbuds. Now, this will ensure that you don't automatically reconnect your phone or your earbuds together. Now, from then on, once removed, they should enter a pairing mode here, behaving like a brand new pair of earbuds. But in this case, you go and start using it and pair it again with whichever device you want. But from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.